Let's begin with sales orders. In Business Central, creating a sales order is simple and intuitive. You can select your customer, choose the products or service they have requested, and set delivery dates and prices. Everything is organized in one place. The great thing here is that Business Central integrates your inventory data directly into the sales order. This means you can instantly check if you have enough stock to fulfill the order, or if you need to create a purchase order to restock. No more guessing or over-promising. Now, let's look at purchase orders. This is just as easy. You select your supplier, pick the items you need, and specify the terms of the purchase, like delivery dates or discounts. One really useful feature is budget control. You can see the total cost of the purchase order, which helps you to track your spending and stay on top of your budgets. One of the best things about Business Central is how everything is connected. Did you know that you can optimize your purchasing and production with just a few clicks? The planning sheet in Business Central allows you to automatically calculate inventory needs. This powerful system analyzes your stock levels and demand, generating purchase and production orders in real time, ensuring you never run out of key products, reducing manual errors and always maintaining an accurate control of your inventory.